I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the headset and disconnecting any cables. This prevents sensor errors and tangled wires when you invert it. Once done, lay a soft cloth on a flat surface and place the unit face down so the visor is protected. Make sure you can reach the hinge points and the headband adjustments. You'll be manipulating parts, so confirm battery is secure or removed and note cable routing so you can reverse the path later. Now carefully open the headband to create room and rotate the ear cups or visor 180 degrees until the unit sits upside down. As you move parts, reroute cables along their original channels so nothing pinches. Use a small clip or tape if a cable is loose. Check that sensors and lenses face the correct direction after flipping, and that padding still aligns with where your face and ears will rest, ensuring comfort and functionality. Finally, power on and run a quick calibration or audio check to confirm tracking and sound quality. You want immediate feedback that inversion didn't break anything. Make small adjustments to headband tension and lens distance so the headset sits comfortably upside down and image clarity is maintained. If you encounter problems, stop and revert to the original orientation, reseat cables, and ensure nothing is pinched. If the issue persists, consult the manual or manufacturer support for a safe fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.